Hey everybody, how's it going? Today let's take a look at this 2008 Pontiac G6 GT. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the G6. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today I'm at my family's dealership, Car Connections Incorporated, in Reidsville, North Carolina. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up and let it run. It's got a black cloth interior. $54,000 miles. Fires right up. It's a leather wrapped steering wheel with side bolstering extensions. Automatic transmission. Manual shift. And it's going to come on the headlights, hazards, as well as the fog lights. It does have an automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? Chrome wheels. Polished exhaust tip. And pop the hood. It's got a 3.5 liter V6. Nice wide opening doors. Power locks. Power windows and power mirrors. Trunk release. They are manual seats. Does have power seat height adjustment. Also has a tilt steering wheel. And let's go and see how it sounds. There's a rev limiter between 3,000 and 4,000 RPM. Gonna shut it up. Simple to use climate control. Different zones, temperature control, defrost. It's got a monsoon audio system. Does have OnStar, traction control, power outlet, another power outlet. You also have your radio controls and cruise control on the steering wheel. And let's go and shut it down. Does have automatic lights. Let's check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Roomy back seat. Does have side airbags. Seats have an indentation cut in them in the back to allow for increased leg room. Rear cup holders. Very good sized trunk. Back seats do fold. Got a rubberized plate here so you don't damage any cloth that's on the back of the seat. Like I said, it's a manual passenger seat too. Not a bad car at all. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour of the 2008 Pontiac G6 GT. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.